Ducks versus gooses. Ha! Duck versus goose. That scared no bitch, dude. Y'all, you better call your crew up. A couple of down ducks, or whatever you are, gooses. Oh, hi. I'm Shaggy Tudo. You might know me in such blockbuster roles as One Flew Over Cuckoo's Nest, The Demolition Man, and Howard the Duck. You may know me also from my blockbuster hit series on Instagram, Shaggy's Backyard Outdoor Adventure Safari World. Or you may not know me at all, or you may not give a shit about me, but one thing you need to know about me is I'm some sort of humanitarian myself. I let ducks go in the wild and shit. They call me Duck Boy McQuackerson. Just when you thought I was lying about being a duck letter goer, I'm not. What the fuck was that? Not used to the wood. I gotta, shit, this duck is not letting me see some shit. And just when you're like, no, you ain't letting no ducks go, you fucking liar. I'm like, hey, I got a dog crate full of, or cat, some kind of animal crate full of ducks here saying I ain't no liar. It's full of ducks. See? You're about to see, because I'm gonna let them all go one by one back to nature where they belong. You just grab them, huh? Ah! His name is Ellie McQuackson. I don't know. There you go, buddy. Be free. That way. He needs his homies. This one's Michael Quaxton. There you go, buddy. This one is Emilio Estevez. And this is Frank, the solar panel sales guy. Be gone, friends. Enjoy nature once again. You know, size like this makes you proud to be a duck mom. Let me get a b-boy pull us in front of the water with him. That's his buddies. He'll find his buddies. There he goes. Pretty cool, man.